guys, and the feel of this thing, and you would think that it's like a little kid's toy. And it was crazy though. As soon as I plugged it in, it was spitting out the hot water. But that's how it's working. I'm truly not impressed, but that's just me. And I'm going to try to convince my daughter to just send this back and get like a Mr. Coffee or something. Because I'm not trusting this for very long, if at all. The video is to show how it was working, and now it's plugged in. I push the button, nothing happens. Push the button, nothing happens. It's supposed to, like, the little blue light's supposed to turn on, and you're supposed to hear like a click, and then the water starts coming out, and there's half of my, this is whenever it ran one thing of hibiscus, and then it just gave out. The other day I did a vinegar, like, descaling, and it got most of this stuff off. There's still a little bit that built up, but there should be no reason that it would only last 6 months. That's hot.
Water to that level, ice to that level. Hit the start button. Couldn't be easier.
So I bought this in January. It's now March. And if you watch, when I push this closed, it should stay shut, but it won't. No matter what I do, it won't stay shut. So I don't know if it's from the heat from the tea or the plastic has warped, because it's just a little tab that those two pieces are supposed to click on, but it won't stay shut.